Are you planning to go on a trekking trip for the first time? Do you want to know what are the essential items and tips that you need to have a safe and enjoyable experience? If yes, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we will share with you the ultimate guide to trekking essentials for beginners. You will be ready to embark on your adventure with confidence and excitement. So, let's get started. A suitable route. For those who are new to trekking, do not try to pursue difficult routes that require high physical strength and skills. You should prioritize choosing a place with many reputable and safe tour operators. For example, Vietnam has many ideal places for trekking. On top of that, the Cave Kingdom of Quang Binh, Vietnam is one of the most chosen destinations for people who love trekking. Here, you can find treks in different difficulties from Tu Lan, En Cave, and Cha Loi to challenging treks such as Pygmy Cave and Sun Dung. A good health. Trekking is a long-distance walking activity in which participants must cross many terrains from rugged hills and mountains to dense forests, interacting with the wild natural world. Therefore, this type of travel requires you to have good physical strength and mental toughness. To make the trip go smoothly, you need to increase physical exercise, participating in activities such as jogging, playing soccer, and cycling. Appropriate clothing. Unlike regular travel, trekking clothes do not place too much emphasis on fashion but need to ensure criteria such as thin, light, sweat-absorbent, and quick-drying. Before the trek, you should consult the travel group's experience and check the weather forecast to prepare appropriate clothing. You should have thermal clothing in your backpack in case the weather changes erratically. Trekking shoes. A quality pair of trekking shoes will help protect your feet better, reducing swelling and pain from moving a lot. The trekking shoe market is quite diverse in features, styles, and prices for you to choose from. To buy the right shoes, you need to clearly understand the terrain where you are going. For example, when going through many rivers and streams, waterproof and anti-slip features need to be considered. With mountainous terrain and many sharp rocks, you should choose high-neck shoes to protect your ankles. On the contrary, for simple, short journeys, you should choose low-cut shoes to move comfortably. A backpack with enough capacity. Depending on the length of your trek, you can consider choosing a backpack capacity from 20 liters to 80 liters. The backpack will accompany you throughout the journey. Therefore, you should buy good quality trekking backpacks that fit your body to avoid causing discomfort and shoulder fatigue when moving. Personal belongings. To ensure safety, you should choose a reputable tour or go with someone with a lot of experience. Normally, the tour guide will prepare necessary survival items for the whole group. They also advise you to bring appropriate luggage. In addition, you should bring some personal items such as medicine, insect spray, sunscreen, flashlight. Moreover, snacks, candy, and dry food are lifesavers when lacking energy throughout the trip. A power bank. A power bank is a portable battery that can charge your electronic devices such as phones, cameras, flashlights, and GPS. A power bank is a lifesaver in case of emergencies, as you can use it to power your phone, flashlight, GPS, or other gadgets. A good power bank should have a high capacity, a fast charging speed, and a rugged design. It should also be compatible with your devices and have the necessary cables and adapters. You can measure the power of a power bank by its output voltage, current, and wattage. A power bank can also have additional features, such as LED indicators, flashlight, solar panel, or wireless charging. Tents, hammocks, sleeping bags. For long treks, tents, portable hammocks or sleeping bags are indispensable items, helping you to avoid insects as well as low temperatures at night. Although the rugged mountainous terrain is not the ideal place for a good and deep sleep, you still need a sturdy tent and warm sleeping bag to recharge after a long journey. A walking pole. A walking pole is not just a stick, it's a magic wand that can help you balance, reduce stress on your joints, and increase your speed and stability on different terrains. A walking pole can also be used as a support for your tent, a tool to clear obstacles, and a weapon to fend off wild animals. How cool is that? A good walking pole should be adjustable, lightweight, and durable. It should also have a comfortable grip and a reliable locking mechanism. You can find a walking pole made of different materials, such as aluminum, carbon fiber, or bamboo. The The length of the pole should be adjusted according to your height and the slope of the terrain. The tip of the pole should have a rubber or metal cap to provide traction and prevent damage. A walking pole can improve your posture, stability, and rhythm while trekking, and also reduce fatigue and muscle soreness. Trust me, you won't regret having one. A raincoat. A raincoat is a waterproof garment that protects you from rain, snow, wind, and cold. A raincoat can also prevent sunburn and heat stroke. A good raincoat should be waterproof, breathable, and lightweight. It should also have a hood, pockets, and zippers for convenience and security. It should also fit well and allow freedom of movement. You can buy raincoats made of different fabrics, such as nylon, polyester, or Gore-Tex. A raincoat can also have different types of seams, such as taped, welded, or bonded, which prevent water from leaking through the stitches. Trekking is a wonderful way to explore new places, challenge yourself, and connect with nature. However, it also requires proper preparation and planning to ensure a smooth and satisfying journey. We hope that this video has helped you to understand the trekking essentials for beginners that you should pack and follow for your trip. Remember to choose a suitable route, wear comfortable and appropriate clothing and shoes, carry enough water and food, be safe and prepared for emergencies, and respect and enjoy the environment and culture. With these tips and items, you will be able to have a memorable and rewarding trekking experience. Happy trekking! If this video brought value to you, please give this video a thumbs up, share with other caregivers, and subscribe for more such videos.